this government recognises that the world stands at a critical juncture in the climate crisis. And the United Kingdom not only has a critical role to play, but also an opportunity to grasp.
We're not distant from nature, we are part of it, and we destroy at our peril. Without nature there is no economy and therefore no economic growth, there is no health, there is no food, there is no human society.
I was very clear in opposition that in this job I would focus on the most profound and universal source of global disorder, the climate and nature emergency.
The undeniable truth of our age. It is cheaper to save the planet than it is to destroy it.
There are two paths ahead. One, the path of inaction and delay, leading to further decline and vulnerability. Warming above 1.5 degrees will expose hundreds of thousands more people in the UK to flood risk, greater economic instability and national insecurity. Or second, the path we walk, eyes wide open, not just to the challenges of today, but also fixed firmly on the opportunities for tomorrow.